The HP Chromebook 11 series features large, rubber dome keys that provide a comfortable typing experience, but are prone to specific issues. These keyboards commonly experience failures with the Space, Enter, Shift, and Backspace keys, which are used frequently and are more exposed to damage. The failures typically result from wear over time, accidental spills, dust accumulation, or manufacturing defects in the rubber dome mechanism. Since official HP support for these older models is minimal, DIY repairs have become increasingly common among users. HP Chromebook 11 keyboards feature a membrane or rubber dome system design. This uses a rubber dome mechanism where keys press down on flexible domes that make contact with the circuit board beneath. The keys are designed larger than standard for comfortable touch typing. However, these rubber domes compress with repeated use, losing their shape and responsiveness. Common causes include liquid spills that corrode contacts, dust buildup under keys, and dome degradation from wear. This leads to keys sticking or becoming unresponsive, especially Space, Enter, Shift, and Backspace. Before starting, back up your data. You'll need these tools to complete the repair. A Phillips screwdriver for removing screws, plastic pry tools to safely open the device, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a replacement keyboard assembly. Protect against electrostatic discharge by grounding yourself with an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure the replacement keyboard matches your Chromebook 11 model's part number. First, completely power off the Chromebook to avoid any electrical risks during disassembly. Next, flip the Chromebook over and use a Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove all the screws securing the bottom panel. Keep the screws organized for reassembly. Now, locate the battery cable connector inside the device and gently unplug it to disconnect the battery and ensure no power remains. Carefully peel off the adhesive securing the keyboard. Then find the ribbon cables connecting the keyboard and gently unplug them. Handle these cables delicately to prevent tearing or damage. For G-series models like the G1 through G5, swapping the entire keyboard assembly is often necessary, as individual keys aren't easily separated due to the rubber dome design. Step 1. Align the new keyboard assembly with the laptop's frame. Ensure all mounting points match to prevent misalignment issues. Step 2. Reconnect the ribbon cables to the motherboard connectors. Ensure they are securely seated to restore keyboard functionality. Proper alignment and secure cable connections are crucial for successful keyboard replacement and to avoid further issues. Now reassemble the Chromebook. Start by reconnecting the battery cable to its port on the motherboard. Then replace the bottom cover and secure it with the screws. Make sure all screws are tightened properly. Power on the Chromebook and test the keys. Use the Chrome OS on-screen keyboard to check each key's response. Alternatively, connect an external USB keyboard to verify functionality. If keys are unresponsive, calibrate the keyboard settings in Chrome OS. If keys don't work after replacement, start by double-checking the ribbon cable connections. These flexible cables connect the keyboard to the motherboard and must be properly seated. Ensure the ribbon cables are fully seated in their connectors. Look for any gaps or loose connections that could prevent proper contact. If connections look clean but issues persist, clean any residue on the connectors using isopropyl alcohol. Apply sparingly and let dry completely. If the keyboard still doesn't work after checking connections and cleaning, the replacement keyboard itself may be faulty and need to be swapped out. If full keyboard replacement isn't feasible, ultrasonic cleaning offers a temporary fix for the rubber domes. This method uses high-frequency sound waves to create cavitation bubbles that gently remove dirt and residue without disassembling the entire keyboard. Looking ahead, future Chromebook models may adopt more modular keyboard designs inspired by the repair challenges faced with current HP Chromebook 11 series. This would allow easier individual key or dome replacements, reducing the need for full keyboard swaps. Community-driven fixes are increasingly popular for extending Chromebook life cycles. Online forums and tutorials provide guidance on cost-effective repairs, sharing tips for cleaning, part sourcing, and troubleshooting that official support often lacks. The rising repair culture emphasizes sustainability by extending device life cycles rather than discarding them. This trend, driven by environmental concerns and economic factors, encourages users to learn repair skills and support policies that improve device modularity and part availability.